Xumo TV disconnections from Wi-Fi often stem from two main issues: Wi-Fi interference and DHCP problems. Interference occurs when other devices like microwaves or neighboring Wi-Fi networks disrupt your Xumo's signal, especially on the 2.4 gigahertz band, which is prone to congestion. DHCP issues arise when your router fails to properly assign or renew IP addresses to your Xumo, leading to it losing connection. According to a June 2025 Consumer Reports survey, disconnection rates hover around 15 to 20% for urban users. The platform's reliance on older Wi Fi standards like 802.11n on budget devices still causes problems. To resolve interference, switch your router to the 5 GHz band if possible, as it offers faster speeds with less interference. Use a Wi Fi analyzer app on your smartphone to find less crowded channels. Relocating your router away from sources like microwaves or thick walls can also help. For DHCP issues, ensure your router's DHCP server is enabled. Reserve a static IP address for your Xumo TV in the router settings to prevent IP conflicts and disconnections. Update your Xumo's firmware to the latest version, v4.2, released in July 2025, which introduced auto reconnection features and improved DHCP handling. If using a mesh network, ensure all nodes are functioning correctly to maintain stable connections throughout your home. As Wi-Fi expert Matt Miller stated in a 2025 interview with Ars Technica, switching to 5 GHz and optimizing DHCP can fix 80% of Xumo issues without hardware upgrades.